In this video, we'll look at how to add mixed numbers. So let's start with the problem. Allison spent 1 3/4 hours working on her science project and 2 1/3 hours studying for the math test. The question is, how many hours did she spend on her schoolwork? So let's set up an equation. The equation for this is fairly straightforward. So she spent 1 3/4 hours for her science project plus 2 1/3 hours for the math test. The question is, how do we add these two mixed numbers? So there are two ways to add mixed numbers, and I'm going to show you both these ways. So here is the first way. In the first method, you add the two wholes. So you want to add 1 3/4 plus 2 1/3. So I'm going to add the two wholes. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then I'm going to add the two fractional parts, that is 3/4 plus 1/3. We have to find a common denominator. The least common multiple for 4 and 3 is 12. So 3/4 is the same as 9/12 plus 1/3 is the same as 4/12. And now we can simply add these two numbers. So 9/12 plus 4/12 is 13/12. The next step is to convert this 13/12 into a mixed number. So 13/12 is the same as 12/12 plus 1/12. And that is equal to 1 1/12. And the last step is to add the wholes plus this mixed number. So you have 3 wholes plus you have this 1 1/12, and that is equal to 4 wholes and 1/12. So now let me take you through the second method. In the second method, you convert both these mixed numbers into improper fractions and then you add them. So let's do that. 1 3/4 equals 4/4 plus 3/4 equals 7/4, and 2 1/3 equals 2 times 3 is 6, so 6/3 plus 1/3 equals 7/3. And now we are going to add these two improper fractions. So 7/4 plus 7/3. Again, the common denominator is 12, so 12ths, and I have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So 7 times 3 is 21, and 7/3 is the same as 28/12, and together they are equal to 49/12. And the last step is to then convert 49/12 into a mixed number. So 49/12, 12 times 4 is 48. So we can rewrite 49/12 as 48/12 plus 1/12. And 48/12 is the same as 4 wholes. Plus we have these 1/12, so that is 4 1/12. So let's review the steps for the two methods. In the first method, you add the two wholes. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then you add the fractional parts. 3/4 plus 1/3 equals 13/12. Then you convert this 13/12 into a mixed number, which is 1 1/12. And the fourth step is you add the wholes and this mixed number, and you get 4 1/12. In the second method, you convert both these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then you add the two improper fractions and you get 49/12. And then you convert the 49/12 back into a mixed number and you get 4 1/12. There is no one correct method to add mixed numbers. I personally prefer this method. What I urge you to do is try out both these methods and then you decide for yourself which one you like more.